sakumbula kaya, mina sakumbula kaya. Elapho kulo mama ozala mina. Mina sakumbula kaya, mina sakumbula kaya, mina sakumbula kaya. Elapho kulo mama ozala mina. Posagatiwa kontutu, posagatiwa kontutu, posagatiwa folosi, posagatiwa folosi, posagatiwa wange, posagatiwa wange, posagatiwa lupane, posagatiwa lupane. Madoda kusebenza ungayekhaya uyahlupha. Kezo. Uzothola into sesitshintshile ekhaya ibus stop ungayisiyona lana kwakuthiwa esigodweni. Sebenza ukhumbule ekhaya ndoda kunzima koBulawayo. Posagatiwa kontutu, posagatiwa kontutu, posagatiwa folosi.
Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's your host Umncedi Sinyati. Today we are exploring Plumtree, a key town in southwestern Zimbabwe, close to the Botswana border. It's about 100 kilometers from Bulawayo and acts as a major gateway between Zimbabwe and Botswana. Because of its location, Plumtree has always been an important spot for trade and travel between the two countries. Plumtree was founded in 1897 when the railway was being built from Bulawayo to Mafikeng in South Africa, passing through Botswana. Without this railway station, Plumtree as we know it might not even exist. The town grew and developed because of this very station. Back in 1897, when the railway was being built from Bulawayo to Mafikeng in South Africa, this spot was chosen as a key stop along the route. That decision turned a quiet area into a bustling hub. The railway brought people, goods, and opportunities, and over time, a town sprang to life around the station. The station wasn't just a place for trains to stop, it became the heart of Plumtree. It connected the town to bigger cities and neighboring countries, making it a vital link for trade and travel. People came here to work, to trade, and to build their lives. Businesses grew, communities formed, and Plumtree became what it is today because of this railway station. So when you look at Plumtree, you are really looking at a town built by the railway. Without it, this place might have remained just another quiet corner of Zimbabwe. But thanks to the station, Plumtree became a thriving border town with a rich history and a bright future. So the town started as a railway station, which is why locals call it Dichi, meaning station in local Chikalanga language.
Sakubona mthwakazi omuhle, maZimbabwe amahle. Salimolani maZimbabwe amahle. Salimolani maZimbabwe amahle.
Today, Plumtree is a busy transit point for goods and people moving between Zimbabwe, Botswana, and South Africa. It's also the administrative center for Mangwe district and supports nearby rural areas known for cattle farming and cross-border trade. Thanks to its good road and rail connections, Plumtree is a key commercial link to Southern African markets. The town is home to a diverse community, with most people speaking Chikalanga and Isindebele and some speaking Setswana. The Plumtree border post sees over 5,000 crossings every day as people travel between Zimbabwe and Botswana. Plumtree also has deep cultural ties to the Wakalanga people. Some of them moved to Botswana during colonial times. In 2006, over 600 Wakalanga Baganswazwi were repatriated from Plumtree to Nswazwi in Botswana. There is also an ongoing effort by villagers around Plumtree and local leaders to restore Kalanga chiefs who were demoted during colonial times. Back then, the British favored Ndebele chiefs who supported them in the world wars. So they downgraded Kalanga chiefs like Hikwa, Manguba, Hingwe, Chingababili, and Habe to headmen. Many believe this colonial mistake needs to be corrected.
Indoboka kwazvo chaba chebukalanga chegechenga ilumetate uyo ebuya ebwilira muntunwe oti promota nelulimi kwedu kwechikalanga nemabusiness edzobukalanga ndoboka kwazvo vana vakankwedu kuti swi tindile mbeli nemwana hoyu atindise mbeli tumilidzana swiwe mutimilidze muchava chedu
zvakachenjera zvochidzana
ndoboka kwazvo
kanti kwenziwa yini abantu uma beqala ukuthandana bejabulelane kakuhle uma behamba bekhula ngeminyaka uzwe indoda isithi nyadineka ngumfazi naye ethi uyadineka ngomkakhe kanti nathi ma liqala ukuhlangana sajabulelana kwabe mnandi nabizana ngezibongo zonke zothando bakithi mina kangisoze ngadineka ngumfazi engiwami ungakho ngithi mina kwami umfazi
Hola, Sala, uyisika sabi. Right, kwenzakala namhla sina sivela kubulawayo sePlumtree namhla la.
Vakatshini shayijika siyabonga.
Nilaba busy, dali siphatheleni. Thona umuntu emzini meladle.
Athi ngasitshela phela athi liyabuya. Ukuthi visit nje ingakhuluma ukuthi hayi. Siyabona samli bofona manje khuluma. Lithela uDJ uthi hayi amajida abuya la sangasuli prepare something. Ngako nje
next time. So mtali bezomba.
Muzani.
Yizo uyabona le car wash lapha awufa business enje.
Business kuncema nje. Awufani siyancengisa sithole kunokukhona kubantu isitale
samfana so kuyini ongatshela abantu ukuthi uyanedinga umuzi lapho kusedinga umuzi
lapho kusedinga
kuyini ongatshela abantu ukuthi uyanedinga umuzi uzikhipha ngalokho kuchazana kuyini okunani
edinga umuzi liyabuya konke siyagesela izimota vacuum cleaning sifaka amathinti senze everything siyenze yonke into vele khona apha la ndiyaba happy ngasivakatshela le moto yakho la uyithatha vele yakwandile
hayi so ke simoto imali
okay simoto
yi70 rand then ufaka ithinti
ukufaka ithinti $10 ubuye le thinti yakho ingaso yami
okay
ubuya le yakho ngifayile $10 just yabo
yiso asiyabonga indawo enhle ithule akulamsindo edinga
hayi edinga isikhiwa
alright so akubatshela abantu nxa bese Plumtree lapha so bengabuye edinga umuzi bakuthola ngaphi bezogesa izimoto
nxa bebuya lapha ePlumtree nxa bengafika emarobotini bathena besiza e-Old Range eDingmuzi bathi Old Range Dingmuzi.
Okay.
Then bengafika lapha bazathenga ikhawasha okuthiwa kusemkhingu.
Omchingu.
Kule khawasha esemkhingu kulamakawasha ngapha siyasilethuwe ingale komgwaqo inga bona bathi ngancale besiya le bathinge ku left side.
Alright.
Le Jojo le green elikhulu laphezulu ebhale emkhingo Kaslami.
Yeah. Ajake puri. Mala sport awufa. Sisoke msala.
Kanti kwenziwa yini abantu mabeqala ukuthandana bejabulelane kakuhle uma sobe behamba bekhula ngeminyaka uzwe indoda isithi nyadineka ngomfazi umfazi naye ethi yadineka ngomkakhe kanti lathi maliqala ukuhlangana lajabulelana kwabe mnandi labizana ngezibongo zonke zothando bakithi mina kangisoze ngadineka ngomfazi engowami ungakho ngithi mina kwami umfazi ungowami ma 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 Senza ukubiza ke nkosikazi wami ngezibongo zothando ngokuzibona ukuthi mina kandineke ngawo ungowami love ungowami mama ungowami love ungowami mama ungowami love ungowami mama ungowami love ungowami mama ngezibongo zothando ithi lavi mayilale goniwe ungowami ma ungowami la sengikubiza ngezibongo zothando ngithi lavi mayisweethi hali ungowami la ungowami ma ungowami ma ungowami la Ngiyaqhwayisa kakhulu kulabo baba engiyakithi bangihleze emabhawa kumbe emahoteleni ubezwe bexoxa bekhuluma ngabafazi babo khuluma ngemuli zabo uyamuzwa uba bethi yena esenandile kwamazwa ukuthi mina wami umfazi uyambhowa njani ngiyadineka ngaye udinekani umfazi engwakho umwazikhethelayo okuthi utshela abanye bakho uhlupho lwalo ngoba bathi uhlupho enye indoda balutshela enye indoda luba ngcono okuthi uvike ngokuthi umfazi uyakubhowa engowakho kanti uworongo ungabovika uzuzonda umntwana womuntu abanye baqamba manguza ukuthi awuyambhoma umfazi wami uyambhoma kolapho uhamba emgwaqweni awudlula isidwaba keza umuntu uyalisa umfazi ukuthi ungagqoki i-trouse khona lapho emahoteli unatha labantu ama-trouse hawu kanti ma yinunu anti inunu yakho ugqokisa i-trouse ungo wami ma ungo wami ma ungo wami ma ungo wami ma
So, lisenza kanje. Yabona manzi? Then.
Ngiyambonga umfocus kuza uyayithanda iplantry uyayithanda indawo yakithi
Salalo Ndukusmalax kumbulo love moma Jaivani uthena uchese sikuza ulokethalo Ndukusmalax yini kumbuchalo Ndukusjunior
Ndukusmalax wakwamela